Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while, but I've been quite busy, and since we're on winter holidays, I wanted to share with you this package I got for all of you guys, and I'll be sharing with you this unboxing experience as well as the extra shots and some ideas I've got for the channel so I can make some more posts as once I've been doing. So let's go into the video. First of all, I hope you realized I'm just in a different setup. I know it's quite flimsy yet, but it is what it is. I'm gonna try and make it as less flimsy as possible, but it's quite an experience. You still are the judges. If not, we can just go back to the old method, but I thought this was like a more natural view so you can guess. So let's begin with unboxing. So as you can clearly see, this was an eBay product. I got it a while ago, but just as for the channel, I didn't have the time to upload. So to the unboxing, so just bear with me. Still, I've been saving this for all of you guys. So let's hop into the video. I'm so sorry for this box, really, but it's a little bit different when holding a camera. A little bit of a peek for you. Let's keep on going. Oh, there we go. So, what we've got here, as you can see, a very old Gemini Jets box. Please guess what year this is. It's clearly quite old. No years at this moment. Keep on going. Okay, unboxing experience. Keep this aside. Just standard box, no year yet to be found. For how it looks, I guess it's been very well stored, beside from this little scratch. The rest of the box is in immaculate condition, honestly. Now let's go into the plane. Now guys, as you already know from the videos, I'm a huge fan of the 747 SP, and I got the chance on an eBay auction to get this model. It was fairly economical. I guess it was like 20 or 30 bucks. I don't recall that because, you know, quite a long time, but here we have it, guys. Mandarin Airlines 747 SP. We'll go through the shots and a final close-up video for all of you guys, so we'll just keep on watching. Now let's just go to the final details of the aircraft. Firstly, we can sadly see that the cockpit of the aircraft is a little bit scratched, the glass cockpit. Then we can see the registration number. Interestingly enough, it just have one letter. It's Bravo and then 1862. Later on, I don't really speak that much of a Mandarin, but I had some classes and I checked what it's supposed to say, and it says Huaxin Huakong Gongsi. If any of you guys know Mandarin, like a primary language or something, you can help me out just to be sure. I said it correctly. Moving on to the wings. As beautiful as the 747 SP is, just huge wings. Not that much of a detail really, but from this era I guess it's a really nice model. Moving up, the 747 SP logo, as well as the Bravo 1862 rear registration number. Then we've got this logo and the final view of the whole aircraft. Now, what I wanted to talk to you about, guys, I've been looking forward to just make some airline reviews as well. So I don't know, you can tell me what you guys think about it on the comments down below, as well as trying to use this camera setup. If not, we can just keep on with the one we just have. So you guys tell me everything down below. Please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel down below. Thank you so much for everything, and I hope to see you around soon. Goodbye.